Right now, somewhere in the United States, a 19-year-old kid is making over $10,000 per month using AI. No degree, no coding skills, no office, just a laptop and a system. And the craziest part? Most people still have no idea this is happening. Build curiosity. We're living in a moment that only happens once every decade. When the internet started, people ignored it. When social media exploded, people laughed at it. And now, AI is quietly creating a new class of millionaires. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, right now. Main point, if you're still trading time for money, working a 9 to 5, waiting for weekends, then you're already falling behind. Because the game has changed. This is no longer about working harder. It's about building systems that work for you. And AI is the most powerful system ever created. Big promise. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are using AI to build income streams that can reach $10,000 per month, even if you're starting from zero. No hype, no fake gurus, just real strategies that are working right now. Method 1. AI Content Agency. Let's start with the first method. AI content agencies. Businesses today are desperate for content. TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram posts, but they don't have time to create it. That's where AI comes in. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate scripts in seconds. With AI voice tools, you can create professional voiceovers. With video tools, you can turn that into content automatically. Now here's the opportunity. You don't create content for yourself. You create it for businesses and charge them monthly. $500 per client, $1,000 per client, even $2,000 per client. Just 5 clients, and you're already at $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Method 2. Faceless YouTube automation. The second method is exactly what you're watching right now. Faceless YouTube channels. No face, no camera, no expensive setup, just systems. You pick a niche: finance, luxury, AI, motivation. Then you use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, create videos, and upload consistently. Here's where it gets interesting. One viral video can generate thousands of dollars through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. And the best part? The video keeps making money, even when you're sleeping. Method 3. AI automation services. Now this is where things get serious. AI automation services. Businesses hate repetitive work. Emails, customer support, lead generation. You can use AI tools to automate all of this. For example, create a chatbot for a business. Automate their email replies. Set up systems that save them hours every day. And businesses will happily pay because you're saving them time. And time is money. Psychology shift. Here's what most people don't understand. This isn't about AI. It's about leverage. The rich don't work more. They use systems that multiply their effort. AI is that multiplier. Reality check. But let's be real for a second. This is not magic. You won't make $10,000 overnight. You will fail. You will get ignored. You will feel like quitting. But the people who win, they don't stop. Right now, you have 2 choices. Ignore this moment, like people ignored the internet. Or take action, because the people who start today will be the ones everyone talks about tomorrow. CTA. If you want a full step-by-step breakdown, comment AI below and subscribe Hidden Wealth Files, because this is just the beginning.